The excitement is building, folks. With the biggest sales of the year just around the corner on Flipkart and Amazon, we know you are all gearing up to grab the best deals possible. But, with so many options and discounts being thrown at you, how do you make sure you're really getting the best bang for your buck? Hi there. Welcome to our channel, your go-to guide for smarter shopping, better savings, and all things sales related. In today's video, we'll reveal smart shopping tips for the upcoming Flipkart Big Billion Days and Amazon Great Indian Festival. We'll cover everything from timing your purchases, comparing prices, finding hidden deals, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have all the strategies you need to make the most out of these mega sales. Before we jump in, take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started. 1. Sign up for early access and get memberships. First things first, early access is key. Both Amazon and Flipkart offer exclusive early sale access to their members. On Amazon, this is through Prime, and on Flipkart, it's via Flipkart Plus. These memberships not only give you early access to the sale but also unlock additional benefits like free and faster delivery, exclusive deals, and priority customer service. If you're serious about getting the best discounts before items sell out, investing in a membership is a smart move. 2. Prepare your wishlist in advance. Never head into a sale without a plan. You might think browsing on the day of the sale is fun, but trust me, it can be overwhelming. Instead, create a wishlist in advance. This will allow you to keep an eye on the prices and get notifications when they drop. It also keeps you focused on what you really want, preventing impulse buying during the excitement of the sale. Use the wishlist feature on both platforms to make sure you are tracking the right deals. 3. Use Price Tracker to avoid fake discounts. One of the biggest traps during online sales is fake discounts. Retailers sometimes increase the price just before the sale and then advertise a huge discount that's not as good as it seems. To avoid falling for this trick, use price tracking tools. These tools help you see the actual price history of a product and whether the current deal is worth it. Websites like Camel or apps like BuyHeadK can help you track prices over time and alert you to genuine discounts. 4. Compare prices across platforms. It's tempting to stick to just one platform, but a smart shopper always compares prices. The same product might be listed at different prices on Flipkart and Amazon, or they may offer different bundles or payment options. Always take a minute to cross-check the item you are eyeing on both platforms. Even a small difference in price or a better cashback offer can save you more than you think. 5. Use bank offers and cashback options. During these sales, both Flipkart and Amazon partner with major banks to provide additional discounts, sometimes as high as 10-15% off on top of the sale price. This can add up to significant savings, especially on high-ticket items like smartphones, TVs, and appliances. Make sure to check which banks are offering these deals and use their cards for your purchases. And don't forget to take advantage of cashback offers through payment gateways like Amazon Pay, PhonePe, or Paytm for even more savings. 6. Leverage exchange offers for electronics and appliances. If you're planning to upgrade your phone, laptop, or even household appliances, exchange offers are your best friend. Both Flipkart and Amazon offer excellent exchange programs where you can trade in your old products for discounts on new ones. This can significantly reduce the price of big purchases. Before the sale starts, check how much your old device is worth in the exchange and factor that into your sales strategy. 7. Be ready for flash sales and lightning deals. During these mega sales, timing is everything. Flash sales and lightning deals offer deep discounts but only for a limited time, sometimes as short as a few minutes. To make the most of these, keep an eye on the upcoming deals sections on both Amazon and Flipkart. If there's something you are eyeing, set a reminder and be ready to check out fast, because the best deals often get sold out in seconds. Don't forget, these deals refresh multiple times a day, so keep checking back. 8. Optimize your payment method. Choosing the right payment method can make a huge difference in your overall savings. Many sales offer no-cost ME options, meaning you can spread the cost of your purchase over several months without paying any extra interest. This is especially useful for larger purchases. Additionally, look for instant discount options on certain cards, and keep an eye on payment apps that offer special incentives during the sale period. 9. Double-check delivery dates and return policies. It's easy to get caught up in the discounts, but don't forget to check the fine print. Some products, especially from third-party sellers, may have longer delivery times or stricter return policies during sales. Always check the estimated delivery date and make sure you're comfortable with the return and refund policies before hitting buy now. This will save you from potential headaches down the road. Conclusion. With these smart shopping tips, you're now ready to make the most of the upcoming Flipkart and Amazon sales without falling into common traps. Whether you are upgrading your gadgets, refreshing your wardrobe, or just hunting for a good deal, following these strategies will ensure that you're getting the best value for your money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to shop smarter and save more. Also, drop a comment below. What are you looking forward to buying during the sale? Thanks for watching and happy shopping.